Hi friends, today we're making 3-ingredient buttermilk biscuits. This biscuit recipe is perfect for those that are new at making biscuits. We're going to start by measuring out our self-rising flour. I like to spoon the flour into the measuring cup. Give it a few little taps to knock out all those air pockets. Then go ahead and just sweep across the top so that you have a perfectly measured cup of flour. I've already pre-measured, so there's 2 cups of self-rising flour in the bowl. I have a stick of frozen butter. I'm using unsalted butter. I'm grating the frozen butter into the flour because I want little teeny pieces of butter. When the tiny pieces of butter go into the oven and they melt, it's going to create steam and it's going to create fluffy, fluffy biscuits. Now you can chop up the butter, but it's not going to have the same effect. Now you can use a pastry cutter and cut the butter into the flour. I'm going to use a fork to press the butter into the flour until it becomes crumbly. Work very, very quickly because it's very important that everything remains cold as it goes into the oven. So now I'm going to add 1 cup of cold buttermilk. Now sprinkle your work surface with a little bit of flour and make sure that you have plenty of flour on your hands. Make sure your hands are floured really, really well because this dough is really sticky. Fold it a few times. It's going to create beautiful layers in your biscuit. Fold and press. Now once you have a few layers in your dough, go ahead and roll it out. I'm using a 3-inch biscuit cutter and make sure you drive it in all the way down to the bottom. Don't twist the cutter, just go straight down. This recipe is so easy to remember. It's just 2 cups self-rising flour, 1 cup of buttermilk, and 1 stick of frozen cold butter. Now place the biscuits on the pan. Place the biscuits on the pan and make sure that the biscuits are touching. If not, they're going to rise up and be lopsided. When they're close together, they sort of rise up and be uniform. The pan is ungreased. Have the oven at 450, bake for 12 or 14 minutes, and make sure that the oven is nice and hot. You want to preheat your oven and have it nice and hot before you put the biscuits into the oven. During the last couple of minutes, I like to broil it on top a little bit, and then we're going to add some nice melted butter to the top. Look at that, the fluffiest, tenderest, easiest 3-ingredient buttermilk biscuits.